Today, we're going to learn how to make automatic pagination using Cloud Code. And by the way, if you like this kind of content, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you'll never miss out on new content like this. And today's question is by DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo asked, my app has a post class with many posts. I want to create a Cloud Code function that, given a number, automatically does the pagination of those records in 10 results per page. Can you show how to do that? Yes, DuckDuckGo, and it's very easy to do. So here I have my index.js class that I created, and I put in here the parse SDK instantiated, which you do not have to do in the Cloud Code section because the parse SDK is automatically instantiated in there as it is built in the stack. But here I put the parse SDK so I can have auto-completion. And we are going to start our pagination by creating our pagination function by typing parse.cloud.define and then our function name, which is paginate posts. And this will take a async request that we're going to arrow function to our code. And the very first step is to read the page from the request. So const page equals request.params.page. So now this variable contains the integer that you passed in the request as the page. So now you said you need a limit of 10 results per page. So let's do that by typing const limit equals 10. And as I'm going to keep 10 records per page, I need to skip 10 records every time I change a page. We'll do that by typing const skip equals page less 1 multiplied by the limit. So this will get the index of the page, which starts with 0. So first page is index 0 multiplied by limit. So it would be 0, then I would skip 0. Page 1 would have the first the second 10 records. So 1 plus 10, I would need to skip 10 records, and so on. Now let's write the query to retrieve the posts. So const query equals new parse query to the post class. So query.count, then count, and I'm going to arrow function this. If skip is bigger than count, I'm going to throw new error page number of outbounds. This will ensure if you try to pass in a page that would not have any records. So let's say you have 2 pages with records and you pass the number 3 for the page, you'll get this error instead. So query dot skip, which is the skip that we just calculated up there, and query.limit or limit of 10 records. Now return query.find. This would retrieve the objects inside this page that you passed in. Now all this can go wrong at some point, so it's important to put a catch block in case something happens. So .catch error, that we're going to arrow function once again to throw error, and then I can have my error if something goes wrong. And this pretty much covers your use case. So you can pass in any number, it will check if that page is valid by using the count over here. If it's not valid, which means it would not have any records, it will throw this error up there, and if not, it will jump over this if and do the skip and limit to set the correct records for that page and return those records for you. So If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or an implementation you'd like to see, please leave a comment on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.